Hi Stylish, welcome to my house. Come on in. Welcome into my living space slash dining space. This is Axel. Say hello to everyone. So usually you will find us sitting here on the couch in front of the fireplace. Let me just set the ambiance. We spend most of our time in here, unless I'm in my office. That's a whole different space. We're not going to see that today because that is an absolute mess. This is definitely where we spend most of our time and where we have our friends and family the most. So we have a couple of frames or 3 frames from Arete Gifting. I think Ree has these frames as well. Low-key was influenced. But I love these frames. Obviously they have some of our film photos in there from our wedding, which I absolutely love. So this is a painting by Popsy, who is my husband's almost 92-year-old grandmother. She painted this herself with a Chardonnay in hand. She painted this in 2023, so she's still got it.
You are our resident, I say this with love, clean freak.
I really take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
Such a compliment.
So I'm imagining, and tell me if I'm wrong, one of your ways to reset is to clean and
Absolutely.
physically reset the space.
I mean, I can't relax until the floors are vacuumed, for starters, because having a dog that sheds hair, if you know, you know, you can like literally pat his back and see the hair coming off. So it definitely needs to be vacuumed all the time. Older homes, so a lot of dust accumulating on the surfaces. Do need to give that a bit of a wipe to just feel like the space is really clean. And I love to light a candle or have my diffuser on for a bit of fragrance in the space as well. So I can't control the fact that this room is fully carpeted, and I also decided to add a rug on top of it. As you can see, this dog loves to sleep on the carpet. And as a result, the dog hair just keeps accumulating. So I really do love to have a heavy duty, high quality vacuum. Like, I'm very passionate about a good quality vacuum, and this one is very good. So this Miele one is really doing it for me. It has a little screen on the front, so you can actually choose what you're vacuuming. If you're doing carpets, floorboards, couch, curtains, it's got lots of different attachments as well that you can use with it too. And it really does the trick for dog hair especially. It also doesn't look ugly compared to some other vacuums, so she kind of looks chic. Want me to vacuum? No. As you can tell, very, very quiet. He is not even phased, clearly. Let's vacuum up that dog hair that we got off his body earlier. There's also a little hidden compartment in here with the attachment that we'll use for our bed head and our couch. There you go.
What is your number one cleaning hack in here?
Oh, my number one that comes to my head is actually for the bathroom. So you know those scrubbers that you get from the supermarket, and it's got like the handle and you can put the detergent in the handle? You're gonna put detergent in the handle with double strength vinegar and use that scrubber on your shower glass. Trust me, it'll be spotless.
I'm actually gonna use that. My shower needs a heavy duty clean.
There you go, I can come over.
What's one thing in your house that you'll never throw away?
Oh, it's actually not in this room.
Should we go on a little
Do you
adventure?
want me to get it for you?
Maybe.
The thing that I will never throw out is actually this little glass blown cat, which my grandma left for me. Before she died, she put a little sticker underneath that had my name on it, and I was very well known in my family for getting little stray kittens out of my uncle's farm because I just love cats so much. So this is a very, very special piece to me, and I will never get rid of it.
These doors?
They're so random.
But they're gorgeous.
But like, doesn't block out any light. Like,
yeah.
There's no point in those doors, honestly. I actually do really love our entryway as well. When we first moved in, this is built-in, so I couldn't do anything about it. And at the time, I kind of hated it. But now that we've been here for a while, I actually have grown to quite like it. It has a lot of space on it, so you can just kind of like dump your keys, deliveries, all that kind of stuff here. But my favorite part about this is a print that we had done from our wedding. Again, I'm going on about the wedding photos. But this is a print that I had framed recently, and I just feel like it's such a beautiful piece, and yeah, really makes the space.
Are you seated here or are you?
Yeah, we're over here.
Oh, of course. Talk me through this space in terms of what a typical day looks like for you.
As people may have heard on the podcast, I was drinking my coffee in here at some point and tripped over, but this is where I love to seat myself in the mornings and have my little mug up here because I love to people watch, because I'm scary. So I just love to see what's going on in the street. And Axel sits here next to me and I can just kind of wake up slowly, you know, get some sunlight.
Oh, cute. And you've only moved in just quite recently. How have you made this house feel like home?
My plants are actually quite a big thing. I've had a lot of my plants for like several years, even through like breakups and living with other people, and he would like to show you something else.
That's how he makes it feel like home.
Yeah, he actually wanted to answer that question for me, if that's okay. But my plants, actually getting them in their home was quite important, and finding a place for them where they are well lit enough and yeah, that they're happy. Okay, so this is also our formal dining space. We do have another like little breakfast table out near our kitchen, but this is where we would generally host our friends and family if they're coming over. We do love to host family dinners. By we, I kind of mean more Adrian than myself. Because I don't do any of the cooking, but I can entertain, so.
What's your go-to hosting tip?
Marry someone who really enjoys cooking.
Yeah.
That's number one.
Talk me through a night, like if you're having a dinner party here,
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you serving? How's the night gonna pan out?
Give me out. All right, so drinks starting for everyone. Lemon cape and pasta is a favourite for you. Fresh prawns, little side of like garlic bread.
Do you want me to just step out?
Yeah.
Now, it wouldn't be a stylish video if I didn't tell you my 3 words. For this room in particular, I think they'd probably be warm, nostalgic, and tranquil, especially with that light pouring in the window. Okay, we've disrupted enough of Axel's afternoon. He would like us to wrap up, so thank you for visiting. And I'll see you again soon.